Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your cookies, your cache and your browsing history over on Firefox. So in order to do that, what you need to do is open Firefox and then just go to a new empty tab. Once you've done that, go to the top right corner of your screen and click at those three little stripes and then hover down till you find settings right here. Then go to the left side of your screen and click on privacy and security and then just scroll down till you find cookies and site data. Click on clear data and what you then need to do is click on clear right here and click on clear now. And now we have cleared our cache and our cookies basically. But now if we want to clear our browsing history, what we simply do is go to a new empty tab, go to the top right corner of our screen at those three little stripes, click on history right here and then click on clear recent history, just click on that. Once you've done that, what you simply do is click on clear now again and basically now everything has been cleared and that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.